What's up YouTube, this is Nimit from Webchronic. So today in this tutorial, I'm gonna show you how you can reset your WordPress website from scratch in the most easiest and the fastest way. So now let's get started. Alright, so we are on my computer screen now, and this is how my website looks. There can be multiple reasons why you want to reset to the default setting of WordPress, like you want to change the theme and import the demo altogether, and you have completely screwed up your website and want to start it all over again. Well, whatever the reason is, so now let's reset this WordPress website. And now the most important thing, the disclaimer, because once you do that, your website will be back to the default setting and you're going to lose everything, all the data, the post, the photos you have on your website right now. So just be sure that you really want to do that. So now let's get started, and now let's go to the WordPress dashboard of my website. Let's click over here and go to dashboard. So now we are in the dashboard section area of my website. So we are going to install a new plugin. So let's go to plugin over here and click on add new. Now let's type WordPress reset over here in the search. Okay, so now if you see, there are a lot of options to pick from, like the WordPress reset, the advanced WordPress reset. Because I've been using this particular plugin for quite a long time, so we are going to install this one, the WordPress reset. So let's click on install now. And once the plugin is installed, we are going to click on activate. Okay, so the plugin is now installed and it is activated, as we can see over here. On the left hand side, we have tools over here. So under tools, we'll see reset. So let's click on reset. Okay, so now it says reset, and it also says type reset in the confirmation field to confirm the reset, and then click on the reset button. So let's type reset over here. And now let's click on the reset button. Okay, so it says that this action is not reversible. Clicking OK will reset the database back to the defaults. So now let's click on OK. Alright, so now everything is gone. All the plugins I had on this side, they are not visible to me anymore. And now we have reset our website. Let's have a quick look. Okay, so I have nothing over here. So I can go back here. I can go to appearance. Then I can go to themes. Okay, so now let's say I want to add a new theme. Let's click over here and click on install. And now click on activate. Alright, let's go back to the website. Okay, so that's how my website looks now. So now we have this website back to the default setting, and now you can start all over again from scratch. Okay, so I hope this tutorial was helpful, where I showed you how you can just knock out everything on your WordPress website and making your WordPress dashboard go back in time and helping you start all over again. Please give it a like if this video helped you, and feel free to subscribe this channel for more WordPress and digital marketing related content. It's time for me to sign off. This is Nimit from Webchronic. You have a good day, guys. See you in the next video. Bye-bye.